Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily add a GIF to your Instagram story. Whether you're looking to spice up your content or simply make your story more fun, adding a GIF is a great way to do it. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account, ready to start sharing. Step 2. Tap on Your Story at the top left corner of your screen. This will open up your story camera and allow you to choose your content. Step 3. Now, select the photo you want to add to your story. It could be anything from a selfie to a beautiful landscape, whatever fits your vibe. Step 4. Once your photo is selected, tap the sticker icon at the top right of your screen. This will give you access to a variety of interactive stickers and features. Step 5. Tap on the GIF icon. This will open up the GIF search bar, where you can browse through thousands of animated images to add to your story. Step 6. Scroll through the GIFs and choose the one that you want to add. Once you've found the perfect GIF, simply tap it to add it to your story. Finally, tap Your Story to post it, and that's it. You've just added a GIF to your Instagram story. It's that easy. Remember to get creative with your GIFs and have fun with your stories. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.